is the F4U Corsair. He's got it right.
Corsair, baby, that's what I'm talking about.
It's coming by right now. This looks like, again,
that's
the F4U Corsair. We take a real good look at this. It's pure beauty. Beauty in a plane. The F4U Corsair. I have that plane totally different since it's like, ooh, he's dropping water. You see that? He's dropping water. Pretty cool. That large. Bye-bye, now that thing is flying This is the steam that RC plane guy will have. Gonna get it. It's the F4U Corsair. Finally, the last time, sadly. But there we go. That's a beautiful plane right there. F4U Corsair. One of my favorites. These are a couple. Whoa! These are water planes flying in patterns. Looks like they're heading over the beach. This looks like it might be the B-17 and the B-24. But I read about this act, and actually at my local airport, Westchester County Airport, these guys come and you can take a ride in the B-17.
Jay, you might want to go to the beach and watch them. They're about to drop watermelons out of the plane.
Oh, I saw a couple things go in the water. Yeah, hey guys, look, they're dropping bombs. That big bomber right there. So I'm dropping a couple things. Look at that. It's like the B-29. Here comes another one. Looks like the. Now this might be the B-17. Also, it looks kind of like the DC-3. Coming by right now. Yeah, it looks a lot like a DC-3. Here are twin T-28 Trojans. And the one right on the far side is the one that RC plane guy was at. We're seeing on his park zone, T-28 Trojan. We're not stopping it though. We still have a couple more planes on the way. Sorry about that. Oh, one right there. Right there. There's a couple fast boys. Looks like that might be a P-40. No, could that be the legendary P-51? I think that is the P-51. P-40 coming in, just giving a little flyby. That P-41. And P-40, know what that big 4-engine plane's back. Nice job filming. Dad, and wow, we got the for you. See, she's gonna drop on me. Oh, you see that? You see that?
Yep.
Yep. She's dropping stuff.